Today, I'm going to show you how to send admin access via link in Squarespace. This is a really useful feature when you need to grant someone access to help manage your website without having to walk them through the entire login process. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Squarespace dashboard where you can see all the websites associated with your account. Now, from your dashboard, locate and click on the specific website where you want to send admin access via link. This is important because permissions are set individually for each site you manage, so make sure you're selecting the correct one. Once you're inside your chosen website, look over to the left side menu. Here you'll find various options for managing your site. What you're looking for is the gear icon, which represents the settings section. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up the settings menu. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your website, including user permissions, within the settings menu. Direct your attention to the left side panel again. From the list of options, find and click on permissions and ownership. This section controls who has access to your website and what level of access they have. It's the central hub for managing contributors, administrators, and other roles within your Squarespace site. After clicking into permissions and ownership, you'll see additional options appear. Click on permissions and ownership once more to dive deeper into the user management area. This will bring you to the screen where you can view current contributors and invite new ones. Now you're ready to invite someone. Look for the button labeled Invite Contributor and click it. A dialog box will appear prompting you to input information about the person you want to invite. Type in their name and email address, making sure everything is spelled correctly to avoid any issues with the invitation reaching them. Next, you'll need to select a role for them. Squarespace offers different permission levels, so choose the one that best fits what this person needs to do on your site. Once you've filled in all the details, click Invite to send the invitation. After clicking Invite, you should see a confirmation message that says Invite sent. This confirms that the system has processed your request. Now click on the name of the person you just invited. This will open up their contributor details, and here's where you'll find the invitation link. This link is what makes the process so convenient because you can copy it and send it directly to them through any channel you prefer, whether that's email, messaging apps, or even a text message. And that's it. You've successfully created an admin access link in Squarespace that you can share with your contributor. They'll be able to use this link to accept the invitation and gain access to your website based on the permissions you've assigned. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.